Thank you, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, and again, welcome to the Fiji First Opposition Chambers office. I welcome you warmly once again, and thank you for this opportunity to continue to engage and, most importantly, share information on matters that are of national interest and, of course, of great importance as well. As you have been appraised with the events of the last 2 weeks, it again shows that our democracy is in the process, particularly government is in the business of governing, and at the same time, all the other key stakeholders, including the media itself, and of course for us, particularly as the government in waiting and opposition, we are carrying out our responsibilities as well. You would see that the priorities that was delivered by His Excellency when he opened the Parliament session for this Parliament session is being revealed and undertaken by government. And of course, today you would have seen the first two of the bills, the MIDA bill, and of course the one relating to what was then Bill 17 and Act 22 as well. Again, let me assure all Fijians that we are doing our part, we are playing our role, and we take that role seriously, again, to keep government in check and also to ensure that your voices, our voices are heard, because in the end, we want a better Fiji, we want good laws, and of course, we want to ensure that the principles of good governance and democracy are adhered to, and most importantly, the rule of law and the protection of the vulnerable within our community. And that is, again, consistent with the values and the principles of Fiji First, and we will continue to advocate for that and make sure that our views are known, and of course, hopefully, that it will be taken into consideration by government so that we can continue to progress and move forward in terms of our democracy in Fiji.